In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Photon using a simple method that involves using your private key. While it's not possible to directly connect an existing Phantom wallet into Photon, there is a straightforward workaround that you can use. I'll guide you through the process, step by step, to ensure you can successfully achieve the same end result. To start off, go ahead and open Photon by navigating to their website on your preferred browser. Once you're there, look for the option that says Connect Wallet. You'll want to click on this and then select Phantom from the list of options. After selecting Phantom, click on the Connect button and follow that by clicking Confirm. This process will ensure that your wallet is recognized by Photon. Next, you'll see an option to Generate. Click on it, and you'll be guided to a screen where you can slide the key to reveal your private key. Once your private key is displayed, take a moment to copy it carefully. Remember, your private key is crucial for accessing your wallet, so ensure you handle it with care and store it securely. Now, let's switch gears and head over to the Phantom side of things. Open your web browser and look for the Extensions section in your toolbar. Click on it, and then select Phantom from your list of installed extensions. You'll be directed to your home page. On the home page, you'll notice your account icon situated at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this icon and from there, scroll down to locate the Settings option at the bottom. Once in the Settings menu, you'll want to click Manage Account. In the Manage Account section, find and click on Add or Connect Wallet. You'll see a new option to Import Private Key. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new wallet or account. Feel free to choose a name that you'll easily recognize later. There's also a space labeled Private Key. This is where you'll paste the private key you copied earlier from Photon. Once you've pasted the private key into the designated field,